Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been turning heads in the pet community, the OhGeni 35-inch orthopedic dog bed. If you're looking for the best crate dog bed for large dogs, you're in the right place. This bed combines comfort, durability, and practicality, making it a fantastic choice for your furry friends. Let's start with the design. The OhGeni dog bed measures 35 inches in length and 22 inches in width. Perfectly designed to fit most standard dog crates while also providing ample space for your pet to stretch out comfortably. Its sleek gray color blends seamlessly with any home decor, making it not just a bed, but a stylish addition to your living space. Now, let's talk about comfort. This bed features orthopedic foam with an egg crate design, which offers excellent support for your dog's joints and muscles. Whether your pup is a young energetic one or a senior dog needing extra care, this bed caters to all breeds and ages. The plush corduroy surface provides a cozy, soft feel, perfect for snuggling in. But what about maintenance? Well, the OhGeni dog bed comes with a removable cover that is both waterproof and machine washable. This means you can keep it clean without any hassle. Just toss it in the washing machine, and it's good as new. This feature is especially crucial for pet parents, as we know how messy things can get with our furry companions. Additionally, the non-slip bottom ensures that the bed stays securely in place, whether it's on a wooden floor or carpet. Your dog can jump in and out without the bed sliding around, providing a safe and stable resting environment. Durability is another strong point of the OhGeni dog bed. With meticulous craftsmanship featuring a minimum of 6 stitches per inch in bound fabric edges, this bed is built to withstand the test of time, even with the most active pets. Plus, it has passed rigorous safety testing, so you can rest assured that your dog is lounging on a bed that meets high-quality standards. Lastly, let's discuss value. Priced at just $23.99, the OhGeni dog bed is not only affordable but offers exceptional quality compared to similar products on the market. This is an investment in your pet's comfort and health without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best crate dog bed for large dogs, look no further than the OhGeni 35-inch orthopedic dog bed. With its comfort, durability, and easy care features, it's a top contender that your dog will love. Thanks for joining us on this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product insights. Until next time, happy pet parenting.